Hi there! So for today we're gonna do some activities with list, manipulating lists, printing out some characters from the list or from the string. So it's gonna be just a simple introduction to it. And our first instruction is to ask the user to enter a string and print the total number of characters in that string. So to do that, we just need to put a variable denoting the input, user input, then enter a message. That will be our string. It's already a string when you put the message. So to find the number of characters, we use the inbuilt function of len, and then we just put the variable in there. So if we put user input enter message 16, the 16, that's the variable, but we need to input the user from the user. So put here an input function, enter a message. So this is a message. This will be 18 in total. So that's the first part. The second part is to print the message 10 times. So to do that, we need to use a loop, for a simple loop for I in range 10 times, for iterative range of 10 times. We print the user input or the message. For I in range of 10, print user input. Oh, I forgot the IN. There we go. So this is a message, and then it will print 10 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that was easy. So the next part, we need to print the first character of the string. So and this is start with 0. We need to copy this, copy selection, paste, and then we just only need to print user input, then a bracket here, and a 0. That will print the first part of the string. So for example, electronics E. See, that's how you print the first character. The next one is to print the first 3 characters. So the first 3 characters, we only need to put 3 here, 0 to 3. That's 0 to 3 characters. So electronics L. See, L. And the next one is kind of tricky, is we have to print the last 3 characters. So to do that, we need to use the negative to denote the last part, and then a colon there. So if we put electronics again, CS, yeah, because the period, okay, no period this time, the ICS. There we go. And then the challenge is to put the string backwards. Some may use a loop, some may use an iterative a string checker, but it only takes 2 colon to denote a string, and a negative 1 to put it in backwards. For example, heaven, and here, this is the backwards message. You just flip it. It just flips basically. So, and the next is the first 7 characters, and it's just simple. We just use the first 3 characters code, which is 0, but put here 7. Let's print 7. You have never been to heaven. It's a lyric. See, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. The space is counted here as one of the characters. Hence why if we put here 8, then it will have 7 letters. See, you have. But the next is to to remove the first and last characters. So we just need to have that the first and last characters, 1 and -1. So we remove that. Print here. Message. We go with that again. SAG. So we remove the M and the E. That's how you remove the first and last message of a string using the 1 from 1 and -1 from the last part. Alright. After that, we will code the string in all caps. So there is a built-in function that can transform every part of the string to capital letter. So we just need to use the user input dot upper. So that's the inbuilt function right there. To enter the message lowercase, and it will come upper lowercase, or we could have uppercase, lower uppercase, and then uppercase. See, just it reads every single character and then put it into a uppercase letter. And then the last is to replace every A with an E letter. So with that, we need to have a new string, so that we can denote the function of the user input. User input dot replace. That's the function. A with the letter E. That's the comma separator. So A with the letter E. And then we just print so our print here our old string, user input, and our new string, new string. Alright, okay, so let's try Beetlejuice. Juice. Let's try SA. So that's supposed to be Beetlejuice, but I replaced A with E. So let's see if it replaces. See, Beetlejuice. Yeah, every A with an E. So that's the entirety of our activity today. Hope you learned something and have a nice day.